Hey there! Today, let's talk about affirmations. You might have heard about them, those positive statements people use to boost confidence and motivation. But did you know that there are right and wrong ways to do affirmations? Let's dive in and see how not to do them. Mistake number 1: mindless repetition. Just saying affirmations without truly believing in them or feeling any emotion won't do much good. It's like reciting a grocery list, there's no real connection or impact. Mistake number 2: negative affirmations. Yep, you heard that right. Some folks unknowingly use affirmations that reinforce negative beliefs about themselves. Saying things like "I'm a failure" or "I'll never be happy" can actually make you feel worse. Mistake number 3: rushing through affirmations. Imagine trying to water a garden by quickly splashing water on each plant without letting it soak in. That's what happens when you rush through affirmations. Take your time and let each affirmation sink in. Mistake number 4: using affirmations as a magic fix. Affirmations are powerful, but they're not a substitute for taking action. You can't just sit on the couch saying "I'm a millionaire" and expect money to start raining down. You still gotta put in the work. Mistake number 5: failing to rightfully apply law of karma. Affirmations are commands given to the universe. You get back in the same form sometime in future. You can't just ask the universe that "make me a millionaire" by robbing a rich. You still gotta have purity of intentions. Now, let's talk about the harm that wrong affirmations can do. When done incorrectly, affirmations can reinforce negative beliefs, create self-doubt, and even increase stress and anxiety. So, it's crucial to use affirmations mindfully and with genuinely right intention. The key to effective affirmations is to make them positive, present tense, and personal. Believe in what you're saying, feel the emotions behind the words, and repeat them consistently. When done right, affirmations can boost your confidence, improve your mindset, and help you achieve your goals. So, remember, avoid these common mistakes, and watch how affirmations can transform your life for the better. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips on personal growth and self-improvement. Until next time, take care and keep affirming the positive.